Hello friends, thanks for joining us today as we visit the land of 100 giants. Giant trees, that is. Come along with us as we visit this small part of our national park systems located on the western side of the Sierra Mountains here in California. I hope you enjoy our trip. One big tree. This is actually two trees that have grown so close together that they appear to be one. It's so big I'd have to back up 100 yards to get to the top of it. You can see where the fire has burned into the... Hey buddy, buddy, looky here, buddy, looky here. You can see here where the fires burned through. Here's the backside of that tree that I was showing you the burned out on earlier. The roots are just astronomical on it. You can see again there how it's been burned through. It's amazing how a tree can be that damaged by fire and still survive. This tree is actually thriving. It's a good 65 or 70 feet up to where there's any green growth at all. This side over here is still healthy even though it's been burnt through. This tree here looks like, and judging from the top, looks like it's been struck by lightning. The base on it is really healthy. As you can see, the top has been struck by lightning or wind. Base down there. This is back to the twin trees. There's a lot of dead trees here that could have been put to use if it were not for the people that don't want us to do any logging in the National Forest. So, you see these beautiful logs just lay here and burn.
Look at that. Isn't that absolutely amazing? How gnarly that thing can get at the top after it's been struck by lightning so many times. Wow. You can see here that young trees are starting to grow back in wherever there's sunlight in these areas. A lot of them are fir trees though. These are firs here. These are sequoias over here. This is a sequoia. If you can compare this little tree here in front to that big monster tree behind it. Wow. Thousands of years. Just to show you how big these trees are, I'm going to take you inside a tree. This tree here is thousands of years old, and you can see that the core has, over the years, has been burnt out by the fires that have happened here. And we're actually right now standing inside the tree. You can see the openings here that I came in through, and you can see up to there where the tree has been burned on the inside and it's just charred, but it seems healthy though.